Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2018 Toyota Sienna SE. This one is in the midnight black metallic exterior with the black leather. And then coming to our window sticker, this is going to be a front wheel drive 8-passenger model. And as far as our options go, we do have the SE Preferred package, as well as paint protection film, carpet mats, and phone charger for a total of $42,600. Gas mileage is going to be 19 city and 27 out on the highway. Of course, it does come standard with your TSSP Toyota safety systems. Down here on our wheels, we are riding on 19-inch dark finish alloys exclusive to your SE trim level with Michelin tires. Then coming around back, those clear lens tail lights are exclusive to your SE as well. Badging down below, you do also have a rear power trunk. Smart key access on this vehicle, so just keep the key fob on you, hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then coming in, this one does only have 2 miles on it, so go ahead and put your foot on the brake and button to start. So we'll check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath our hood, we have a 3.5 liter dual overhead cam V6 engine. This features Toyota's D4S direct import fuel injection, as well as their dual variable valve timing with intelligence, producing 296 horsepower and 263 foot-pounds of torque. I'll go into the front wheels in this example, or optional all-wheel drive on the Sienna, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. So let's go ahead and check out that interior. Now over here in our side mirrors, they're going to be body color with your blind spot monitoring, and they are heated. And then we do have that black perforated leather interior, contrast white stitching, all your power adjustments down below with power lumbar. Door panel materials, nice stitched padded material right here. Power windows, locks, and mirrors with plenty of door storage down below. Then over here, traction control, deactivation for your power doors, gas cap release, and some storage right there. Coming to your steering wheel, there's going to be a 3-spoke leather-wrapped wheel, side bolster and grip extensions. Over our audio, voice commands, as well as Bluetooth over here on this side. Over here on this side, 4-way D-pad for that center LCD right there. Then we do have our lane keep assist, as well as our dynamic radar cruise. Cruise is on a separate stalk down below. Over on the left, automatic headlights, fog lights, blinkers, and your automatic high beams. Then over on the right, your variable and speed wipers and rear wiper controls. Dashboard's all nice stitched soft touch material over here, as well as over here on your secondary glove box. You do have driver easy speak on this model, so it just amplifies your voice into the rear speakers. Now going to our audio, checking out sources. We do have our AM, FM, XM, as well as our CD, USB, USB 2, as well as our Bluetooth and auxiliary inputs. Going home does give you a nice split screen view. And then going to your map, you can input a destination, select your view right there. Now your destination input is a unique way where it's just a one search box for all, whether it be a point of interest, a street address, or a city, which is a unique touch. It's more modern, I guess you could say. Below that, you do have your tri-zone automatic climate controls with your driver, front passenger, and your rear controls. This is going to be that 8-speed automatic. You'd have a sport mode with manual shift, and then as far as reverse, you'd have your rear view camera right there. Dual heated front seats, as well as your USB and auxiliary audio inputs, 212 volts. Secondary cup holders right here to be paired with these right here. These are deep with ambient lighting. Then we also do have independent armrests for your captain's chairs up front. Plenty of storage down in there. And then as far as those glove boxes go, plenty of room right there. Auto dimming rear view mirror with garage home link and compass. Mirror and vanity lights on your sliding sun visors, as well as conversation mirror and some sunglass storage up top. So you have your lighting controls, your power sliding sunroof as well, it is automatic. And then your controls for your rear power doors and your trunk. So we'll go ahead and check out the rear seat. Now coming in, just go ahead and pull your handle to activate your power door. This second row is going to be a 3-seat bench, so you do have belts for 3. You can actually remove this center seat and place it in your trunk in the designated storage area if you would like a passageway into the 3rd row. But as you can see, your perforated black leather with contrast stitching follows through. Now your second row does slide, adjust, and recline, which is a nice touch. I have it slid about midway, and then we do have plenty of knee room, plenty of foot room as well. Dual seat mat pockets, as well as 2 USB charging outlets, a household power outlet as well as cup holders right down here. Up top we also do have our independent climate control zone, vents, damped cornering handle with coat hook, and some illumination. So there is plenty of headroom, and then we also do have our sunshades up top. So we'll go ahead and take a glance at the third row and then the cargo area. Now getting to your third row is very easy. Just lift up on this lever right here and your seat will slide forward, giving you this huge passageway back there into that 3-seat bench as well. Belts for 3 back there. You also do have your sunshades up top. You do have manual rear vents. And then over here, a nice touch is you do have 2 USB charging outlets for your third row as well. Up top, all the same amenities with your illumination as well as damped cornering handle and your vents. So we'll go ahead and step out and we will check out the cargo area. Now coming around back, to activate your power trunk, just go ahead and press the button inside or the button on your key. Press and hold that and it will pop right open. Now coming back here, as you can see, your third row is split in a 60-40 fashion. So you can actually fold just this portion down and leave a seating area over here and vice versa. This is going to be that dedicated storage area for the center seat in your second row to be stored if you choose to store that. And then over here we just have some storage, 12-volt outlet, as well as some illumination. Nice big storage well right here, and it is very easy to fold those third row seats down. So we'll go ahead and press our button right here to close up our trunk. And that'll be it for this 2018 Toyota Sienna SE. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any other model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching. This is Garrison once again, and I will see you in my next video.